Viewers, welcome to somycrafty channel, your own channel, beading channel. Today's project very elegant, very interesting to new style bracelet, stretchy bracelet we are making today with long beads. We have selected for this bracelet a very cute, very different long beads. These are barley shape beads, and we are making a very elegant bracelet with these beads. We have started making our bracelet. First of all, we have to string beads. We will use round beads, metallic silver beads, round beads 3 mm, and with long beads, barley shape long beads. So we have to string, first of all we have to string these beads. 22 beads, long beads will be used in its making, and each time we will string 3 beads, around 3 mm beads with these long beads. After we have make a string, and now we have to join these long beads with one bicone each time. We will join these beads. Now we have started this joining with the bicone beads, 3 mm bicone, metallic silver beads we have to use in this project, in this bracelet. So we have added one, you can see on your screens, we have added one bicone metallic silver, one bicone we have added. So we have started joining these long beads. Each time 2 beads will be joined with one bicone, as you can see on your screen. We are joining. This is a second step of our bracelet making. So we have to continue this process, adding and joining, and in this way, when we will join these long beads, we will start next step. Very different and stylish bracelet. This is stretchy bracelet we are making with elastic thread. We have to make this bracelet with elastic thread. This is actually this is bangle bracelet. This bracelet have no clasp, so which is made with elastic thread. Its elasticity will be make it very convenient and comfortable to wear. So today's project I have selected to make it with elastic thread. Now you can see we have joined all long beads with the help of bicone beads. So we have used all matching shades of beads, different beads, round beads, bicone beads, long beads, barley shape, with the elastic thread we are making. Now we have to join both ends of this bracelet, both sides, both ends. We have to join from one side. We will join with one bicone, 3 mm. So here we have to join from this side with one bicone, and here we have to add it between 2 long beads. We have to add this bicone, 3 mm. So we have to pass needle through long bead to add this bicone. Here we have added it. Now we have to join the other end. Now, and to other 2 long beads, we have to add here 3 round beads, 3 mm, which we used in this bracelet making. So we have to add 3 more beads here to join this bangle bracelet. Silver round beads, 3 mm. 3 beads are we have to add here to join this. This is both ends. In this way we have added, and now we have to make we are to reinforce this portion. We are passing our thread through these beads we added. Now here we pass needle to long bead, and we have to make a knot here to join both ends of our elastic thread. We have to make double knot or triple knot here, because it is elastic thread, and we have to make it secure, making several knots, 2 times or 3 times or 4 times, because this is elastic thread. So we are making knots to here. In this way you can see how stretchy this bracelet is. It will be very easy to wear. It will be very comfortable. It has no clasp. This is bangle bracelet, very stretchy, very easy to wear. Now next step, we have to start next step. We will now make these 3 beads, 3 beads, to turn into 4. We have to add 1 more bead to all these 3 beads. We have to add each time 1 bead in these 3 beads, and these 3 beads will be turned to 4, and in this way we have to complete all bracelet. Both sides beads will be turned into 4. So we have added 1 more round bead, 3 mm bead, metallic silver bead, and in this way we will pass through bicone to add 1 more to these 3 beads. 1 3 mm bead we are adding each time. In this way we complete both sides. How stylish, how cute this bracelet is. Very, very convenient and very comfortable and very cute bracelet. I really enjoyed making this project, this tutorial, because it's very different from other bracelets. It's very stylish, and it's totally a new pattern. So now it's complete, almost complete. We have to make some knots here, and now we have to trim extra thread. After making several knots, we will trim, and we will smooth its ends with lighter flame. And now our beaded stretchy bracelet is ready to wear. Very cute bracelet, very easy and very comfortable, and totally new style. So I hope you would like it, and if you like it, so don't forget to subscribe your own channel, somycrafty. Somycrafty always brings with love for you very new and unique projects, easy to make projects, tutorials. So make it so make its channel very successful. Only your subscriptions can make it successful. So I hope you would like to subscribe and like and share your own channel, somycrafty. I will say bye now. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.